On today's unboxing special, we'll be unboxing a Fulla doll. Now, let's see what she looks like in real life and what hair type she has, because I need to know what Fulla is about and I need to get to know her. It's a get to know party. Oh my god, it's Fulla's hair. Now I need to get to know Fulla. She can look from Barbie. Yes. Oh, okay. I'm getting her out. Okay, after this, I'm gonna clean her. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty! Look, it's Fulla. It's Fulla. Does she have bendable legs? Okay. Yeah, she's so pretty. Anyways, bye y'all. Thanks for watching.